Hello, crypto smart investor. Welcome to yet another explosive video on gate.io. How to effectively and efficiently use the gate.io exchange. In the previous video, we looked at exactly how to download your gate.io app as well as how to register and get started. And in this video, we'll be looking at how to navigate the gate.io exchange. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead to do that now, because we'll be making videos strictly on gate.io exchange. Everything you need to know. We'll explain the interface as well as we'll go ahead to show you how to trade. Now, if you notice at the top of your screen, you have this particular guys here. Now this shows you a whole lot about your account information. This takes you directly to support, where you can ask any question and get attended to. So this is a QR code scanner. So just immediately below it, you have this scrolling carousel and image scrolling. Everything you are doing now is just to explain the interface. So immediately under that, you have welcome to join us. You may proceed with account verification now, or KYC. So after signing up, you have to do your KYC. So your KYC grants you a lot of privileges as a trader. So make sure that after signing up, you go ahead to do or to carry out your KYC. Then after carrying out your KYC, you can then trade. So there are different levels of KYC that you have to do perform. So have the VIP 0. So there are some KYC you have to perform under that. Then have VIP 1, VIP 2, and all that. So there are different criteria that you have to meet that will definitely qualify you for the different VIP levels. And each of the VIP levels actually has its own privileges attached to it. So you can participate in some airdrop, you can participate in some token sales and all that. Just below that, you have a particular news section that scrolls, and once you click on any of the items at that time, it should take you to that particular news or announcement. So you can just read the content at that particular time. So I'm just quickly going to go back now. Immediately under that, you have this section that has a whole lot of options for you. So you have copy trading, gate.io finance, analytics, startup, annual report, liquidity mining, and when you click more, you should be able to see a whole lot of options there. Is that alright? These are just a whole lot of things that packages that gate.io offers. So you can just click on any of these guys to see what is going on. So don't be afraid to explore your gate.io exchange. The only thing you should be afraid of is carrying out a trade that you've not done your research on. You can also do copy trading. You can go to startup. So this particular section shows some of the projects that gate.io is currently hosting their idle. Alright, so initial DEX offering, or it's actually just like a launch pad. So supposing I click on annual reports, so annual reports, so everything is here for you to see. So clicking on annual reports, what does it bring to us? So your personal gate.io annual report. Let's review this year's journey with you. So clicking on open, so it brings this out. We share the same values, so we are grateful for the 1410 days you have spent with gate.io. So starting from 2018. So we are the old members of almost founding fathers of gate.io. Immediately under that, you have this part where you have USDT, and you can actually buy USDT at this instance. But remember, for you to perform all these functions, you must make sure that you have KYC done. You can buy or sell using peer-to-peer. You can click on quick buy. Now look at, please complete KYC registration before processing. So you have to make sure that you complete your KYC. For one reason or the other, gate.io has actually not accepted my KYC the last time I did it. I've been lazy to go ahead to do it again. So just try and make sure you use a clear camera. If a document is requested, make sure the document is clear without any obstruction. And you can actually also buy crypto. So you can decide how many crypto USD units that you want to buy. So supposing I want to buy $100, so I can change what I'm buying with to either Canadian USD or Chinese yuan or whatever currency or euro. I can now change what crypto assets I want to buy with. Is it Bitcoin Cash? Then I can select the provider. So once you select the provider, it should be able to take you to the particular page or that particular provider. So payment currency is €100, get digital currency. So with €100 I'll be getting 0.28 Bitcoin Cash. So the fee for this particular transaction is €3.80. So once I hit purchase, it should bring out this disclaimer. So you must agree to the disclaimer and then purchase. So once you agree and purchase, it should take you to a next screen for you to proceed and buy crypto using a third party. So at this section, you have a whole lot of guys here. So the star here shows your favorites, the crypto asset that you favorited. So this exactly is for top gainers. These are the coins under sports, coins under futures, exchange traded funds, loan, and new. Alright, so we're just going to be navigating on each of those. So you can tap on top gainers to see the coins that are topping the list of gainers. You can tap on sports to see some of your holdings. Then you can tap on futures to see some of the coins that you can trade on futures. You can click on exchange traded funds. You can click on loan. So if you actually don't know how to use some of these features, do not bother, because we are going to be making videos on each of these sections eventually. So some of them are actually advanced for new users, while some of them are basic, so anybody can use. So new actually shows some of the coins that will soon be launched on gate.io. Now if you have actually not registered on gate.io, the link in the description box below will help you to do that. If you are required to input any user ID, my user ID will also be dropped in the description box below. So looking at the bottom of our interface here, so the active one at this moment is what? Markets. So the next one next to it is what? Trade. You have futures, community, then wallets. So it's actually the same with what we saw on Binance Exchange. So right now we are on markets section. So once you click on trade, it should be able to take you to the trade section. And by default, what you have here is what? BTC stroke USDT pair, and you can easily buy and sell. A special video will be made on how to buy and sell your crypto assets. So the next guy says what? Futures. So here you can actually trade your futures. Here says what? Community. We actually saw this when we click on one of those options. So you can go to chat room, you can go to live. So some of these guys are actually live videos of people trading. You can go to post, a whole lot of things. So gate.io also has the community at heart. You can go to announcements, you can go to latest news, a whole lot of things. So the last part of this particular session shows our what? Our wallet. So you can just click on wallet to see what your wallet holds. So this is the wallet. So you have your total funds estimated, you have today's return, I have your sports account and all that. So under this section, you can deposit crypto assets, you can withdraw crypto assets, you can transfer crypto assets, and you can push crypto assets. So gate.io has made it possible for you to perform different actions from different sections of the website. So there's no one single way to achieve a particular goal or task. So that is gate.io. Bravo to you. Hope you've gotten value in this video. So in the next video, we're going to be exploring how to navigate this section of our gate.io app. Everything this has to do. Remember to smash that subscribe button right away. And don't forget to always trade responsibly. Peace out.